So this is our potential client or potential user of Whipping. Okay, so what do you know about Whipping? She doesn't know about Whipping, so you have to explain it to her. So yeah, clipping is like you have a convert the long form videos into short form videos, and by that you post it find some interesting videos or moments and viral moments, and you edit it and post it to the platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So, do you want to earn? Yeah. Here in Content Rewards, you can find some campaigns that you're in your niche or you're one in your niche. For example, the streamer, he wants some viral content, so there's a requirements and there's a kind of earnings. Earnings you have to post in any platform, and there's a resources or just a kind of instructions for you to guides and like that. So join the Content Rewards, just click it, submit, and earn it.